on the GS, getting ready. Getting ready. Getting ready for what? I'm getting ready for a trip. Next week on Friday, I take off. What's it going to be? The 24th? Yep. I'm taking off and I am headed over to Florida again. I'm going to be making a few stops. I will be stopping in Houston to see my dad for a night. From there, the next day I'll be headed to New Orleans, and I'm staying there for a night. Should be fun. I've done this trip before, but last time I didn't get to stop and really enjoy it. So this time I'm making sure that I stop, I go visit New Orleans, and maybe I go see some tourist attractions. This time I'm actually going to be staying on Bourbon Street. So that should be fun. Last time I was just going through there and I ended up going through there in the middle of the night, so like almost morning. I've never gone this way before. I mean, like the road that I'm going through right now. So we'll see where I end up. But yeah, New Orleans. From there, I'm gonna go to Panama City Beach, Florida. That'll be one leg of the trip. New Orleans to Panama City Beach. And of course I'll be going on the GS. This is a stop? Alright. Once I get to Panama City Beach, I might be riding solo, or I might drive with one of my friends that lives there. And I'd be riding to or driving to Tampa. Never been to Tampa. I'm kind of excited about that. And from Tampa, I'd be going to Miami again because I like it. Man, I didn't know I lived so close to all this beautiful property. Wish I could afford this. This kind of reminds me of the town I grew up in a little bit. Now, if I could just figure out which way I need to go. I need to go that way? I think I do need to go that way. Holy smokes. I don't know. Yeah, I think I need to go this way. Oh no, this is Nacogdoches. Shit, I'm confused. Oh no, yeah, I went the right way. Woohoo, good. Anyways, Miami. Yes, Tampa. Yes. I got a friend there, and I'm gonna probably be bumming it there with him, going out and stuff. And then Panama City Beach. Yes. That's next week for me, starting on a Friday, and I'll be coming back, and I'll actually spend the 4th of July in New Orleans, and then I'll be back home after that. So it should be fun. Lots of things to do, lots of videos to take. So for a while I won't be uploading any videos, but once I get back home, start editing, expect to see that. I have no idea. Oh, okay. This is a very odd intersection. Let's go in here. Trying to gonna go to this HEB and get some supplies. Oh, an update on my weight loss. I'm down to 200 pounds. 200 pounds, almost in the 199 range. Oh, what's this? Can I take this spot? Yeah. Oh, nice. So, but I'm about to ruin it. It's Friday night, and I'm trying to get a little fat today. So that's it for now, guys. Like I said, I'll probably upload one more after this before I take off. But there's gonna be a whole lot of videos afterwards.
Hello. How you doing? That's it for now. Take it easy, guys.